Hello all.
Geht eincoden, ihr Fotzen. Schlechte Laune in der Augenblick. Kommt's wohl, ihr Warmduscher? Če se opjem pa eno šlo, bi se ljudstvo ljudsko ali protivnek špim. Stinker Fotzen. Hier schon wieder los? Schon wieder Update geladen oder was? Das ist ein Schachtverhalten hier. Oh, da ist überhaupt keiner mehr drin. Wow. Hat der Server gewartet oder wie? Holy fuck shit. Mal sehen. Online cruised. Kein einziger Schwanz. Name. No online. There's no online mode tonight. Okay. We're pumping something. Fuck it up then.
No online mode tonight for all over the world.
Kann das nur passieren? Warte. Scheiße. Can be better. Is the microphone anyway on? Don't know and I don't care. I think it is on. Hi gozaimasu. Hi konbanwa. Let's see. Man muss jetzt eins saufen. Da schon wieder im Bau stehen. Tequila. She's off the pie, that's what it's a do, so these folks put up the next stream. We'll share next time. Right? West. Well, I've been very west. Scheiße, ja. Next vehicle. Kopflosen Flaschenköpfe. Und was habt ihr so heute getrieben? Is your deal done in your work? Getting closer to your brain with your nose boringness. Drilling up, drilling up. Brother, just didn't done. I really need to go to shit. Be right back. Oh, crack. If you like, and just your fucking back is hurting, there's diarrhea coming up. What we have in here? Oh, diarrhea, as I was saying. Oh. Too many heavy actually weight training today. There was actually 5 beers the complete day, and now I'm drinking whatever I want. I just calculated 500 milliliter of tequila and kind of 3 beers. And I'm going to sleep. Yeah, I was smoking today then 10 cigarettes when I'm done with this game. The complete work day and the live stream. You can't smoke actually in these industrial. We are just trying to make, or we dealing done actually with making concrete into some industrial floor. Well, that was the first. You need to actually get the steel inside in it, the pillars and all these stuff, and special, you know, positions you have to get kind of the steels into it. There's a lot of steel. You're just getting in. And 2 days actually be concreting. It's maybe easy I'm saying, but it's seriously a little bit complicated and hard to deal done actually with. If you're single and just coming home cleaning up everything and all these stuff as well. Oh, I feel not at home anymore. It's just a live stream for today, cause it's just want to jam out the whole day. It's already actually 20 o'clock 43, 8 o'clock 43 p.m. on Monday morning. I think we got the 8 July 2024. I don't know. And it's Monday, you know. Why dealing done with heavy weights actually getting around the complete 10 and a half or 10 and 4? What's we got at? 10 hours and kind of a quarter or something that we was work, and just a quarter of making a pause to these 10 or quarter hours. The 10 and a half hours we was working today non-stop. This is not normal what we dealing done, the construction workers. Needs to get that dealing done. They're producing actually industrial stuff like the ventilation system for Spain, for rushers and industrials. And nearby actually they're dealing done with the hops machines. You just keep creating, and you need actually more surface, more concrete surface to getting I think the ventilation systems, and they are big. Talking about 100 quadrat meter of concrete, but they're all over the place with the pillars, with the complete surface, with these kind of plate we were dealing on. There's a lot of steel they need inside of this. And this is not a normal work we're dealing done. We're just 7 workers in the company, right? And actually 3 workers was not there today. So that was another construction work to bricklaying. This is, you know, pain. Running a lot. Oh gosh, running a lot. My feet need some help care. What we got in here? Some blotters here and there. No, there are Pringles. There's something else in there. Oh, ash. Come here, feet. If you're at home, you clean up from Sunday, Saturday. Was very close to platinizing actually in DjVolgin account some games. That was Hogwarts Legacy I platinized. Sunday I just was playing mostly actually Police Simulator. Oh, Police Simulator, Patrol something else. There's only 1 trophy I need to deal done. But if you have no woman or no girlfriend, I just the most time I'm sleeping, watching right now from 1990. Oh, hold on, from 1986 or something. The Streets of San Francisco. Not waiting actually for these stupid The Boys season 4. Fuck that shit. Every fucking week 1 season episode. This is bullshit. Better waiting actually. There's actually 2 episodes that need deal done actually for the season 4 to deal done. Hype here, hype there. Fuck this crack. The whole season or nothing. Every week I'm waiting actually for another episode. It's bullshit. I'm better in German. I don't give a fuck. I don't need that in German or something. I like to watch that in English. That's why I like it so much when I go into Amazon Prime and watch these in English language. It's awesome. I think yesterday I just watched Spaceport, right? I think the 7 times in my life. Over 1.5 years, all the times 1.5 years or something. I watched it once. I like it. It's stupid, but Mel Brooks just did a lot of work in this before actually Star Wars 3 or something came out. So I like it very much. Did a great job. How older you get, how more you understand what Mel Brooks just was trying to deal done with, and there was never coming out of Spaceballs 2, right? Because the rise and the resistance already for these movie makers was saying, Mel Brooks, please do not jamming around with actually Star Wars 3 and 4. So his business was going somewhere else with Leslie Nielsen the most time. Whatever. Where we want to go? Trying out these Atlas. Actually, Milton Drive is there. Still done with it as well. Milton Drive tonight. Because there's no online deal. I think they're bringing up a new update. It's on this crack. I'm not sure about that one. Just have campagnes Robbie so doet go praktisch next game. I don't care Spain and France what they are playing in EM, the European Mastership of Soccer, but say football. I don't care because Germany is gone. There'll be Germans and they having the European Mastership of these football here in Germany. I don't care anymore what they are playing together and who's getting Mastership up there, this and winner and stuff. I don't care. The Germans was very worse actually playing football at the last Friday. Superstar MRP and then all the other Spains together. I think France is losing. They just shooting 1 goal, the other 3 goals. This game was actually 11 minutes in front of me. I don't care, I don't watch it. I don't want to watch it anymore. It's just getting money actually from our taxes here in Germany. So that's why I'm not watching it anymore. These assholes. I don't care. I care, but I don't care. I just bet sometimes, but I don't care. Don't win money. If a construction worker needs to work actually until 72 years, was before a kind of 64, 58, 64, then 67, and now we have to work until 72 on the construction side. Are you dealing done with? Like we are just earning actually $2,000 in a month. I mean, then you have to pay your apartment or your house and the gas that is not existing because actually, Russia. So every month maybe I have $500. I just get it into games and beer and smoke. That's it. Well, this is how I'm working. I'm working very hard and getting less money. Welcome to actually Nazi state in Germany, where other countries earn actually the double time of these shit money. Welcome to Germany. It's kind of, we are living already in 1939 or 19, yeah. It's a cat dealing done in the... What the hell She's down below in the chimney again. Why is she dealing down with that? Hey Mama, what are you dealing down in here? Yeah, I'm talking to you. That's a chimney I just would fill. Not hard enough today? Alright. If you find it interesting to pee in and going out somehow, enjoy it, you bushy cat. Alright, she's sneaking around. Maybe some mice are in there. I don't know. Cheers up, Yero. Just 200 fucking meters away from me. Look, that bird's not coming down. But get it. So 5 meters. Oh, now I understand you. The bird sometimes are parking his fucking flittering around. But the cat is rusty and black. It fits to the chimney in here from the industrial. Just a steel roof, you know. Aluminium or something, this crack. Alright, tequila, and then let's keep on moving. Actually, these Atlas GT, whatever, 350 Nissan or something. Oh man, tequila, yeah. How about that? What's the music anyway? 0. Get this lousy shit away, please. Don't need. Mickey Mouse. WC. Hat mal Glück gebracht, der Wing. Oh man, just give a fuck about that first corner. And the cat is gone. It'll be about 35 minutes. I don't know what I really want to talk about. Oh crack, mate. This car had no energy. Pull up actually in the Bathurst mountain, or is it? So just still done. Nobody cares. No what? Oh, my food is already done. Lost actually 14 pounds actually on weight today. 14 pounds, 7 kilograms, some kind of this. Oh, my back hurts. Something else. Was die Horse Cream eigentlich? Die erwärmt, der Scheiße, weißt schon, habe ich nicht mehr oder was? Die hat dem Werner gegeben. Schmiert sich sowieso nicht an, der Hundling. Wird schon werden. Oh. Da muss schon noch eine irgendwo rumliegen. Das habe ich so kühlend, aber die Wärmepaste. Ich gehe mal besorgen. Ah, Tequila ist schon schön. Ich habe auch noch Rum, wenn du magst. Ich habe noch Cola, Sekt und ziemlich alle Scheißsorten. Ach, Corona habe ich nicht. Boah, ja, Alter, wir haben Gin auch noch. Alter, gibt Gin her. Der Gin ist gar nicht mal so schlecht heute. Bisschen Gin trinken. Die wirklich schon weitergegeben. Sie kriegen schon alle, oder was? Ja, dann gehen wir Gin her. Scheiße aus, ist weiß. Was willst du für einen Gin? Den oder den? Der ist noch nicht getrunken. Warte mal schnell. Energy Drinks, Tequila, Vitamin, Rum. Sagt der Kühlschrank. Energy Drinks, Light Beer, Rum oder Bier. Knut Hansen, Gin. Und das mal aber weg. Weiter mit einem anderen Gin. Flaschen Gin, Magic Glitzer Edition. Fuck, wechsel deinen Arsch, Alter. Was du mal hergehst hier. 26 Kräuter, was? Deine Mutter. Lust aber aus der Kloake. Ach, das ist noch das Rizinusöl da, oder was? Oh, auf hier. Oh, da, das geht schon. Ich habe meine Fingernägel erst gestern geschnitten. Muss den Scheißdreck wieder aufkriegen. Du hast zwar eine Schere, aber echt jetzt. Muss das so auch aufgehen. Hannover, Alter. Hier aus Bremen hergestellt. No. Was ist denn das hier wieder für ein scheiß Schmelzzeug? Ja, da muss doch die Schere mal her. Cut mal oben auf hier. Was für eine Rotz hier produziert, Alter. Jetzt auf ich 10 halbe Bier in der Zeit. Besser wirken. Ach, mit Wein brauchst du mir gar nicht ankommen. Wein bringt überhaupt nichts, wenn du Schmerzen hast. Die macht ja erst Schmerzen in der Niere. Trocknet aus. Jawohl, dankeschön. Wenn ich mir nicht selber helfen würde. Die Scheiße da, Alter. So auf der Plastiklumpert schon in den Fingern. So ein Stöpsel mit meinen fettigen Fingern. Oh, das riecht gut. Oh, der ist echt gut. Der riecht gut. Waldmeister. Sinsala Gin. Okay. Stell mir vor, der Professor billig bitte war. Dry Gin. Handmarke Premium. Reflection Effekt. Craft Circusite. Regensberger. Berlin. Okay. Oh, das ist echt nicht schlecht. Ist halt dry. Oh. Nach seinen 41% hat es aber verdient. Nicht schlecht. Ja. Der ist dry. Aber zweite Stufe hier rein. Hier sehe ich noch mit der Zigarette statt Versteck. Oder Verreck. Ein Bierchen hinterher. Der Gin ist nicht schlecht. Sieht die Kackstrecke dann nochmal in Bathurst, Paramount. Panorama oder so. Race, wie schaut es damit aus? Bathurst, Mount Panorama Circuside. Ist einfach nur Bathurst. Soll ich das noch ändern? So muss ja mal ein schönes Ding aus. Dann muss ich driften. Hau raus. Scheint sehr schön zu sein. Dauert ein bisschen. Oh, das ist schön, Alter. Passt. Boah, Dry Gin, oder? Ach, das ist Dry Gin, I need Tequila. Ihr Drecksfotzen. Wo gepasst? Mal lauter oder was? Oh, Leute. Muss aber das Bier aussaufen. Genug Stress heute gehabt. Gambar Maus. craps in that vehicle with less engine, with a V6, and that was all. A V10 must be presentating here. I couldn't. I can't. Couldn't. I don't care. I'm going to toilet again. Back hurts and need to move. Want my address in Germany go wherever you Bahnhofstraße 4? Rob me right now. I'm just a dealing down next to broken guy. Give me the sit. Come on, P! Little sandwich already, ready for that. Nobody cares of me. I'll be half the fit on the next day. For birthday again. I lost actually fucking 14 pounds today. Didn't sweat. That has something to mean. Sparkles the P already, makes it green. The hell is that? E-fluid. Morgen wäre ich aggressiv, Alter. Weil die scheiß Bank es nicht fertig bringt, mir endlich ein Bank-Online-Konto einzurichten. Der WR-Key da. Seit 4 Monaten warte ich jetzt schon auf dieses Key. Die machen nur Scheiße, Alter. Diese Arschlöcher, Alter. Jeder kommt mit dem Handy als Ausländer rumrennen und sagen, ich habe ein Konto, ja. Ich habe bis heute noch kein Konto auf dem Handy. Diese Dreckschweine, Alter. Das Mongos. Kleine Wichsgeburten, Alter. Als Deutscher bist du der letzte Dreck gegenüber den Banken. Kleinen Ficker, Alter. Ist langsam Zeit, die abzuschneiden, Alter. Zuchthäusler hinzuschenken. Jeder kann Geld verdienen. Und ich nicht. Als normaler Maurer seit 20 Jahren. Scheiß Krüppeln, Alter. Drecksbank. Diese Schwuchteln, Alter, die Zuschauer sind wahrscheinlich bei der Bank. Sofort Anwalt, Alter. Das 10-fach. Jede Scheiße dermaßen so untersucht, dass du dein Geld 20-fach mal zurückbekommst. Du arbeitest dein ganzes Leben lang auf irgendwas hin und du bekommst keinen einzigen Cent vom Staat. Für Lappalien, die sich dann selber in den Kopf einschießen, Alter. Du musst auch noch drauf zahlen. Drecksverein. Scheiß Deutschland, Alter. Dreckiges Drecksland. Ein Dreckstaat. Nicht gemacht, Alter, für Mittel- oder Niedrigstaatler. Du musst schon Milliarden verdienen. Also tun, das geht ja jeden Tag so. Wenn es jeden Tag so gehen würde, mit 7 Arbeitern, müsste ja jede Woche einer krank sein. Missgeburten, Alter. Zuständigkeitsbereich für nichts und niemand. Geschissen auf euch. Ihr habt nichts unter Kontrolle. Die anderen machen Findungsjahr und so ein Scheiß. Wir wissen gar nicht, wie die Arbeit danach geht. Es ist kein Arbeiter mehr da. Das Geld aufarbeiten von Opa. Das habe ich bei meinem Onkel nicht zugelassen. Jetzt würde ich das hier auch nicht zulassen, oder was? Alles so kompliziert für die anderen. Was willst du denn tun? Was willst du denn von mir? Hoffentlich ist bei Kündigung. Ja, DPD bald ist DPD da. Ich hab doch weiß haargenau, wo ich euch zugewiesen habe. Ich hab mir jetzt schon wieder mit einem Drogendeal Scheiß da in Deutschland. Schwanzlutschen und Hurensöhne. Scheiß Deutsche Post. Alter Schwanzlutscher. Es spielt ja keiner online, weil es Online-Modus nicht gibt. Fotze. Ja, genau. Twitch first and then YouTube, right? Fuck Twitch. Twitch is a piece of shit. They're just making money because they don't working. YouTube guys actually working and then going actually to this live stream on YouTube. And Twitch are just staying at home and making the most actually followers and all this stuff because they have time and get paid from our fucking taxes, guys. Boo Twitch, boo Twitch. I have not even time to create a car. You have a 24/7 the whole week. Time to create a car. And you do nothing. Well, this is a car made actually once in a week, once maybe in 2 weeks. Equal yourself. So actually 14 times worse than myself. Piece of crack.